Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of my live stream here at Lisa Digital Life. So, by the way, my name is Lisa Bravo, and I'm the face behind this business page, Lisa Digital Life. So, I'm so thrilled na you're here today with us, and because this episode is a little extra special. So we're joined by a truly inspiring power couple from Las Vegas. And we have Kuya Med and Ate Beth here. And, guys, after decades of their dedicated service in their careers, they didn't just settle after retirement. They boldly joined into this digital space and space of digital entrepreneurship. So, and what makes today even more meaningful, guys, is that they'll be celebrating yung 38th wedding anniversary nila sa June 27th. So yes, so yes, love and legacy are both in the spotlight today, guys. So get ready to hear their story of purpose, partnership, and pursuing passion even after retirement. So this conversation is a proof that it's never too late to start a new chapter. So let's meet Kuya Med and Ate Beth. So they're here with us now. Hello po, Kuya and Ate Beth.
Thank you, Liz. That was a nice
Hello.
introduction. Thank you very much.
Nakalimutan kong ilagay sa I'm still navigating kasi itong StreamYard. So it should be like muna dito sa backstage and then pero
That's okay.
It's okay.
We're overwhelmed anyway to, makita kami agad kasi kanina. Ang ating mga fans po naghintay na eh. Anyway, thank you. Thank you. Good morning here in Vegas. The hot is very warm day today. I think 100 is 3-digit here.
Yeah.
And good afternoon dyan sa UK and good evening to whoever you are watching right now. I think the Philippines right now is early in the morning, 12:30, I think.
Yeah.
So magandang umaga sa inyo lahat yan, mga kabayan. So here's my business partner here, right? Me to continue while I am talking about.
Hello po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And we are glad we're here with Lisa. Basta Lisa, maganda.
Ay,
Lisa.
maganda rin. So, can you give us a bit, I know you just introduce yourself, pero can you just give us a bit of information before you both started on this digital business?
Okay, so we came from the Philippines actually. So we immigrated to the United States in 2004. So we have been here for 20 years already. I'm a registered nurse here. I was a registered nurse here. Med work as an electrician here in the US, although he is an electrical engineer back home. So we have 5 kids. They are all grown up now and still no apo, but we have 2 dogs. We've been here in the US, as I said, 20 years ago. And I had an early retirement like 2021. And Med followed me, full retirement here in the US. I worked in a medical hospital, one of the hospitals here in Nevada, in Henderson, Nevada. And that's it. No, may dagdag ka?
May dagdag ka?
Actually, yes. That what Beth said. I work here for I think 17 years. Because in the Philippines I already worked there for 25 years. I already work more than half of my life, Lisa. No, So here in the US, in order to survive, I think I have still to work. Although this country is a land of honey and milk, but we have to work because there's a lot of opportunity here to feed my family. So that's it. So
Ah,
now it's time to retire, and we're here. So both of us now are retired couple, and we are empty nesters right now with our two dogs right here. Wala pang mga apo. Ready na mag-apostolate, pero you know how life here, ang mga bata, mahirap na mag-asawa na. They're on. But anyway, as I said, we are here. We want to enjoy the life as retirees. Thank you, Liz.
yeah. Ganda is ang ganda ng ano pagka yung shinare niyo kuya and ate yung about your professional background tapos how did you enter yung sa digital world, no? So ano ba yung kwan natin ay actually I planned something because it's your anniversary. So I want this live stream to make it a little bit more special. So I should have started on the first question. So let me just do this for both of you. Kasi I'm so thankful na you came on to my live stream today. So let me just do this one for you both. So I hope I can do it a little bit bit more special. I just so if you just bear with me po.
A surprise special.
I love surprise.
Asan? Right. Okay, so asan ba yung number 2 natin? Right, so I'm going to do this one.
Oh,
Can you hear
Liz,
it?
you hit
Can
the
you hear
right
it po?
music for us. Oh, you're a surprise. Okay. Isang episode yan.
So,
That's Ballad for Adeline.
Yeah.
By
so
Richard
number 2
Friedman.
question. Yeah.
Right, Liz.
So, I don't know ate kung how did I know this because I've made a research. Actually kinulit ko po si kuya ano po yung mga ano yung a bit of details about you both. So, yung ano yung your theme song sabi ko sa kanya yan, sinabi niya. So, sir, I hope nagustuhan mo.
Nagulat ako.
So we will be doing this on all questions. So so number 2. So I'm going to just read out the question. So it says, many people think retirement is a time to slow down. What made you both consider stepping into something new like this?
Yes. Do you think that retirement is a time to slow down? Well, there's a truth on that list, you know. Of course, since retirement is a transition stage from time slavery to time freedom. Wala ka ng problema sa time. You're not a slave anymore of the time. The time is not controlling you anymore. You have all the time. This is a time where you enjoy life and live the comfort that you deserve as retirees. But at least sabihin, pay off time. But for us, Liz, you know, we want to enjoy that, as I said, no? Since our retirement money and pension is not enough to sustain the life that we deserve, as I mentioned, plus the need to extend help, you know, as part of our culture to our immediate family back home who are need financially, you know? So we look something that could supplement our pension because probably is enough for us, just to pay our bills, mortgage, and all those things. But as far as enjoyment to travel or wherever we go, it's not enough. That we are looking for something that we can work at home because without any sacrificing our comfort time. So the plan was this is to maybe let Beth work again back to her nursing job as part-time job, and me also as whatever I can, maybe to the store or in Walmart as greeter, something like that. But I know it's not right. So until we found this online business, probably this is the answered prayer for us that let us work smartly anytime and anywhere. Then it also reminded ourselves that, with this business we're doing right now, we learn the learning doesn't stop in our retirement. That's what we learn.
That's
In
correct.
fact, this is the stage in life, the perfect time to stretch our brains and embrace something new. So we need to find something to keep our brain healthy. And we found that this online business is a good food for our brain because not only that we learn, but also we earn. This business really amazing. That's answered
Yeah.
prayer. Thank you, Liz.
I love how you answered that question, Kuya. Yeah, it's really so powerful. And instead of slowing down,
Mhm.
um, you chose to grow and evolve, isn't it? So it shows that passion and purpose don't stop with
Mhm.
retirement.
Mhm.
So you're a living example that new beginnings happen at any age. So yeah, yeah. Thank you very much for that inspiring answer, Koya. So let's go to number 3 question, and let me just find our. Uh, so number 3.
I like that.
I love it. Right. So number 3. So let's go to number 3. Right. I cannot see the question yet. So coming from non-digital careers, how was the learning process for you both?
Okay, so it is really very different. I was a nurse. He's an engineer, and
It's different.
it's way way different. And we were born in non-digital age or generation. Baby boomers kami. So, but I am proud to be a baby boomer kasi I consider our generation na adaptable. We can adapt to any generation, yung coming generation, kung ano pa yung mga generation, millennials, Gen X, Y, Z, kung ano pang mga generation yan. We were able to adapt. And this digital online business, yeah, it's new to us. Parang sabi, I was actually the one who jumped in. Ako ang talagang nauna nag-jump in.
Ikaw yung
Sumunod na
nauna.
lang siya. Kasi kinulit ko siya. Kasi skeptic
Yeah.
siya sa
Well,
una.
so he was skeptical.
Ito, skeptic. Ako
Usually,
hindi.
That's
Oo.
normal yan, normal.
Ako
many
yung,
are always
ako
skeptical.
talaga nag-jump in. Jump in agad ako kasi sabi ko, this could be it. Since he said na we are looking really for an additional supplement and supplement to our pension kasi ako rin yung nagbabudget. Nakikita ko kung parang nakikita ko hanggang saan yun makakarating yung mga pension namin, yung mga savings namin na konti. Sabi ko, hindi tayo tatagal nito ng 3 taon siguro.
Yeah.
Mauubos itong ating
That's the reason
savings.
that she's always counting our money every day kasi may itong gagastusin natin, baka ma-sure tayo. So she's good on
So,
accounting.
yun ang aking ano. Sabi ko, pag ako yung risk taker talaga, may opportunity na dumaan sa akin, pinalampas ko pa nga yan kasi dumating niya sa akin noong 2022. Pinalampas ko yan. And then 2023, dumating na naman, nakita ko na naman yung posting ng aking mentor.
That
Sabi ko,
happened to me the same as well. Yeah.
yeah, the same. So, I did not see any ad. Kung meron pang ad siguro, I jump in right away siguro noon pa. Pero I just saw her posting. So, doon nag-jump in agad ako. And I like, na-entice na agad ako doon sa webinar pa lang.
Mm-mm.
And then, so I learned something new there, diba? That's the learning process. That's the first learning that about the business. Oh, maganda. And then I jump into the next step. And then, mas maganda yung mga napanood ko. So another learning, that's when I told him, come on, you watch this. This will be a good one for us. Akala ko nag-watch siya. Sabi ko, we'll sit in on the coaching call. So, sumama siya sa coaching call. Pero, hindi pala niya napanood yung pre-coaching. Ako lang nakapanood. So, then, so, you will do this business. I will be at the background. I will do all the whatever postings. Kasi, he's not active noon sa, may Facebook siya, hindi siya active sa social media. He's just browsing. Yung sige lang siya ng scroll. Eh naisip ko, sabi ko, scroll. Ano ba kukuha mo sa scroll ng Facebook? Sabi ko, wala. And then sabi ko, ikaw talaga ang gagawa niyan. I'll be at the background. So that's what I know. That's when I learned yung different apps that they use for ano. So that's another learning, which is new. And I become interested because it is new to me. Doon ako nagkaroon ng interest kasi it's away from nursing kasi parang sabi ko sa WANA ko, how many years I've been working as a nurse? 40 plus years. So, this is a new learning. So, nagka-interest talaga ako. So, ganun din.
It's really
Way, talagang, kumbaga sasabihin mo, it's not an our path ng kung anong profession ang we studied. So, it's new. Is challenging, but we have to learn. We have to learn the training. Our training is beginner friendly. It's step by step. So that's how we learned how to navigate in our business. Actually, sabi ko nga sa'yo, I'm not tech savvy. We have our doubts, but we made a difference because we changed our mindset. So the training was very clear, step by step, beginner friendly. We took it one day at a time. So sabi nga initially sabi slow down at our own pace. Basta we spend at least 1 to 2 hours in our training. Maski ito inaantok, sabi ko, hoy, it's our time to do the training. Mag-train na tayo. Yes naman siya ng yes akin. So
that's this too much learning talaga ito sa business natin. The first one I learned is to say yes to your wife. Kaya I encourage those husbands who are not supported to their wife, please support. Because there's so much learning on this in this business. That's why I said, see, yes. That's from that on, I always say yes to her.
Of course, it wasn't easy, but it is worth it. Not just because we learned new skills, but because we proved to ourselves that age and the background, educational background, or the professional background we have will never be a barrier when you are open to learning and to growing. Siyempre, may ups and downs din. But ang learning, we learn from our mistakes, we learn from our failures. So, but we continue to rise up. Kasi yun ang dapat. Huwag mong pag nandiyan ka na sa baba, diyan ka na lang sa baba. Get up and rise up.
Of those failures and all those rejection, whatever we encounter, those are not the hindrance. They are the one pushing us forward because they are not those things are part of our journey. Misfortune, whatever, mga challenges, no? They are not the end. or opposite of success. They are part of success. Even you can find in history those successful people, they are being rejected. They have failures when they start. But if you continue, be consistent, and like in our business, just be coachable. There you go.
Mindset lang. Talagang
Yeah.
mindset. And this is when
Yeah.
I like right now, I'm continuously learning yung every Saturday na training. I attend that, and the morning routine, I also attend that just to concentrate also on my mindset. Ito na lang ang konting himas pa para he will join me also.
I was pray and or that's okay.
Kasi ito namang journey na to, the learning process is not really a smooth path. There will be ups and downs.
Ups and downs.
Yeah, ups and downs. So with all the challenges that we have faced, it's still a learning process. And we
Yeah.
learn every day. We learn, ang learning is a continuous process until we die or we're
Yeah.
not here anymore.
Yeah. Yeah. That's really amazing po, no? Kasi when we've seen this opportunity, talagang we are all almost, well, all of us naman talaga, we became skeptical.
Mhm.
Kasi akala ko rin noon when I was before I joined this business, before na nag-open ako ng business ko, akala ko lahat ng online ay scam.
Mhm.
So pero nung napanood ko kasi ito, when I've seen this opportunity when I watched the webinar, kasi nga I can relate to you, ate, kasi nga I'm also a nurse. Tapos I have no wala akong kaalam-alam sa mga about sa business and digital marketing. So I didn't understand what it's being said on the webinar. So I don't know if but maybe it's just appointed to me as well, because I didn't know about anything about this business, and hindi ko talaga maintindihan noon, pero I just relied on the testimonials, and also I said to myself, bakit what kind of the opportunity is this, kasi bakit ang dami-daming mga job quitters. It's like a
Yeah.
job quitter factory on this business. Sabi ko, wala talaga akong parang I was it was not really a 100% clear for me that time. Pero I just prayed na kung if this is for me, if he is going to help me how to get through with this skepticism. Kaya sabi ko noon, sa bagay, wala namang mawawala if I'm going to try. So nothing to lose but a lot to gain, sabi ko noon. So I jumped in, and then as I go along, I have learned that this opportunity na pinasukan ko pala is something that can change my life. So it's ang dami palang binabagong buhay, mga life ng mga members dito sa digital community natin every day. Kung every day as we can see on our community, ang dami-daming nagiging mga milyonaryo every day. So it's not really, we cannot deny that. So sabi nila it's too good to be true. Pero if you are one of those who is lucky, very lucky to see our digital community inside, you have a divine appointment. So if you so I know na parang nagiging skeptical tayo, pero we should be smart enough to know yung parang yung kung ano yung potential ng business na ito na may bibigay sa atin, kasi this is global. So we should realize na ang potential na ito, yung naibibigay sa business na ito, it has a big potential talaga. So we have no prior experience, di ba, te? Yung no prior experience, pero there's
Online
there's
business, we don't have any experience also. Although we did some traditional businesses before, but it did not work out. So that's why we're going to try this one. Ako, siguro merong skepticism din ako, pero kunti lang. Hindi ka skepticism, it's more of a doubt. Will I be able to make it? Are we going to be successful in this business? So
It's
yung
the fear
doubt
of
na yun.
failure.
Yeah. But whatever my mentors will tell us, we follow. So sabi,
Yeah.
basahin nyo na lang yung training na yan. It's easy. We follow step by step. Bahala ng yung maski one lesson lang for the day, it's good. It's like an advance already. It's a step forward to your knowledge. And then doon na lang kami medyo nagmadali ng medyo, wow, teka muna. What if we will have a business partner? Nakalagay dyan, mentor. Ano ba may mentor natin? Hindi natin alam. Alam nga naman sabihin natin na, of course, we still have our mentors. They will guide us. Pero are they going to guide us every time na ano? So we have to learn also our business. So
Yeah.
guidance ng mentor plus the training, that's how we were able to like move forward.
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
that's the reality, Liz, now that when you're in this business, I don't care if you have no experience, you're not techie, but
Yeah.
in doing this, you have a lot of learning because we have the tools right there. It's a matter how you use that.
Already in
Once
place.
you do your business, it's your business. Your
Yeah.
coaches and your mentors are there to guide you,
Support, yeah.
help you, support you, but you do the business. And the bad thing, you cannot share this business that you don't have. That's the most important thing that you have to, to learn on this. You have to learn. How can you share? How can you give something that you don't have? Yan ang problema. There's a lot of our siguro mga ating mga kasamahan na parang ayaw na nila because they're not doing also their effort. You have to work. This business is for you. Yun nga. Kaya sabi, I'm the business owner. Ano ang business mo? Hindi mo alam.
Kailangan alam mo po ang business mo.
So learning is very, very essential. And you learned it right there.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah. That's is your willingness to try and learn something new. So that's So let's so thank you for that yung mga answer natin po yung sa number 3 no. So number 4 na po tayo.
Music ko
Oo, yung music natin pala. Ayan na. So, asan? So, okay. So, what would you say? So, number 4. So, it's either 1, 2. So, what would you say to other retiree or nearing retirement couples who feel like it's too late to starting something new?
Yeah, to those who are in golden years, or 68 years, retirees or nearing retirement, even you're already working, still working, who might be thinking, it's too late for me to start something new. Let me tell you, it's never too late to embrace a new beginning. It's a myth.
That's right.
And I can prove that. Remember, learning doesn't stop.
That's right.
At retirement. Doesn't stop at retirement. In fact, this stage in life, as you retire, is a perfect time to stretch your brains or our brains and to embrace something new. We have a lifetime wisdom, because of our experience, resilience, as I said, experience that we can use to start in this online business. We have that already, This is not the end. As I said, this is not the end. Retirement is not the end. but the beginning of the new chapter of our life, which is very exciting one. Can you add?
Yeah, for me, we may say that technology, because they will say, I'm not tech savvy, I cannot join your business because I don't know anything about computers or anything about yung social media. So yes, technology can feel like you are learning a new language. It is, but remember, it is just a tool that we can use to learn. What you need is you just be coachable, and you have anyway the support of our mentors, the community, because we have a very supportive community. And ako na lang, how did I learn all this
Yes, yeah,
making of the reels, the videos, and everything?
yeah.
From our training, from our supportive community. They share their knowledge, they share their experience. So that's how I learned. It's just my willingness. So if you have the willingness to really learn and improve
Oh my,
yourselves, then you'll be able to get it. So hindi, retirement is not the end, sabi nga niya. It's just the beginning of our new chapter. Kaya ng mga bata, kaya rin natin. Bakit? Do not suppress your desire, your dream. Hanggang ganito na lang ako.
yeah.
No, you still,
Mm.
I know you still have dreams that you need to achieve. So go on, work on your dreams, make a bold step, work on your dreams and take the action. Diba? Ang dream mo hanggang dream na lang yan. Baka bangungutin ka pa kung hindi ka mag-action. Diba? Yun ang sa akin. So,
Oh,
and prayers. Be patient. Meron na siguro, I think you have developed those mga near retirement and or retired na, you already have developed the patience, the resilience, the perseverance. Continue. Continue yung patience mo. Continue your perseverance mo. Continue yung resiliency mo. Kasi it will give you a new chapter nga, a new chapter in your life na you never know, your dreams will be there. Answered prayer mo yan na you're just dreaming and your dream becomes a reality.
oh,
Believe in yourself lang.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Believe in yourself.
believe in
And
yourself.
by doing that, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. So go ahead, make that decision right now.
Mhm.
Take that risk and watch as your dreams become a reality. You have the power. We have the power to create life that we want, right? So don't let anything or your fear hold you back.
Mhm.
Embrace change, embrace growth. I repeat, embrace change, embrace growth. I always say this before, and I like to say it again. Do not be afraid to make a change, but be afraid to
Yes,
stay the same. So why not take the lead? Surround
yes.
yourself with supportive people. We have this in the community. Stay curious. And remember, it's never too late to start something new. Thank you, Liz.
Thank you so much po, Kuya and Ate. So that's beautifully said actually, kasi it's never too late to dream, to start again, and to build something that's really meaningful. So yeah, salamat po sa mga encouragement and for encouraging others about yung journey nyo, and how especially para sa mga couples who think their time for growth has passed. So you are both a proof that this is just the beginning. It's not
Mhm.
the end. It's not going to it's because of retirement you're going to slow down. So no, that's so you're a proof. So yeah, so thank you very much, Kuya Med and Ate Beth, for all
Thank you
those
too.
very inspiring journey in your
Lisa,
into
ang
this
dami mong comments. Dami mong comments sa iyong
how
dami
do
na
you
nga tayo ang dami
i-bring
nating mga viewers.
uh,
Oo.
paano tayo i-bring, oh yeah, so let's let's just say hi to our viewers. We have Gerald and Marinel. Hi, sis. So we got Bernadette, we got April, who's
Yes, one of our business.
APCs. Yeah, one of our, if you're one of our business partners. And we got, good
Which is
morning.
one of our mentors.
Wow,
Yay.
amazing. It's amazing. And then we got Nunon. Hello, Nunon.
Yes.
And
Thank you
then
for watching.
Thank you.
for watching. And then we got Gerald and Marinel watching from New York. So we're really very global.
Yes.
And then we got Bernadette. She's one of our business partner, and she's one of our ka-empower sa kasi we have we form a group sa live stream po namin. So
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hi, Bernadette.
we've called ourselves Empowered Women. So
Oh.
Bernadette is one of the members of our group at Empowered Women. So thank you, Bernadette. See you later on. So who else? We got Eden. Eden
Hello,
Grace.
Eden.
Hello,
Yeah,
Eden.
business partner
Watching from
Eden.
Azusa, California.
Yes.
And then we got
Lerna.
Aming eagle.
One of our eagles.
one of your
Good
girls.
morning.
Wow. That's really so amazing. Really amazing. Yeah. So once again, Kuya, Ate, happy 38th wedding anniversary this coming 27th of June. Before we go, can you just give us a little bit can you just share your life story to us and your
My love story?
secret to saying happily married?
Do I share our love story and
Share ko ano yung secret natin.
a secret?
Secret for happy marriage.
You want to talk?
Ikaw na lang.
That's a very hard question, Liz, no? That needs a very long answer.
Sure na
But
lang.
anyway,
I'm so excited, no?
I love
Nabigla
to
po
answer
kayo.
for the sake of our viewers, no? Anyway, I will share our love story briefly. So please bear with me. And if I will probably, this is because this is a little bit personal. So in order not to jeopardize our privacy, I would relate this to our business. Yeah, just bear with me that I'm talking about our business and compare with our love story because these two have the same in common. Okay? Patay yung background music diyan. Dear Ate Lisa. Tang, tang. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Exactly today, Liz, June 14. Wow, perfect timing talaga itong araw nito. Dear Ate Lisa. It was June 14. The year was 1986. When Beth became my lead. That's in our business. When somebody gave me her name and her address. You can imagine this time we don't have email, so it's only the address. That's how we do in our business. Okay? So that's the thing that, in short, she became my pen pal. So I decided to write her because she lives here in New York, thousand miles away across the Pacific, because she worked in New York City as a nurse. Then I work in the Philippines in Cebu City in a power company as engineer. So we exchanged letters, that year. And of course, during that changing of letters, we resonate because I open to herself, I reveal my personal life and all those things, just like we do in our business. I was very transparent because transparency builds trust. So that was it. So I want her to be
Secret
to
na nila.
move. No, yeah, secret. I have to
Secret
move.
na lang ng
move
aming
partner.
marriage
Oh.
is that at the very first night, we started praying together and we never broke it. So I think prayer, because diba, when you get married, the third person in your is God. So we concentrate on praying every night together. Kung makalimutan man namin, kung magkahiwalay kami during that time, he has to pray at the same time as me praying. So parang together
Yeah.
pare. So prayers played a part in our marriage.
Since the
Of course, hindi perfect ang marriage. May ups and downs din, may misunderstandings, miscommunication. But we make up. Ako medyo ma-pride, medyo medyo matagal-tagal pag may kasalanan. But we make up, we kiss and make up, yun. So I think that's, and the understanding, and I think yung personality, basta nag-click kami personality. It's the trust, the communication, and most of all, ang prayers and belief in God.
Yan, yun
Yun ang ano. Yun na yun.
Now you become my business partner in life. But anyway, in short, she became my wife, you know. It was June 27, 1987. And this month is our 38th wedding anniversary. Very unfortunate.
And we didn't realize that during the time that we got
Oh,
married,
wow.
it was the Mother of Perpetual Help Feast Day. So Mama Mary also played a great part
That's
in
why
our marriage.
we also pray the rosary
Prayers.
every day.
Prayers and God in the center of our lives. So yun talaga yun.
Yan lang ang brief namin, Lisa. I cannot elaborate personal. Kasi mabang story yan. We can make it in a movie like we want to look like
It's
Helen
like
my lovingly yours, Malala. But anyway,
it's very inspiring yung story niyo po. Kaya pala sinasabi niyo sa akin kanina, you were telling that today is it's really good timing yung ngayon. Kaya pala sinabi niyo sa akin yun. Nabigla ko parang oo nga, good timing, and the way na kung paano ko kayo nakita, yung story na kung paano ko kayo na-meet, kung paano tayo nag-connect. It's really a good timing. Kaya pala I understand now kung bakit yung sinabing it's good timing today. Na itong day na to. And also this month is your anniversary. So thank you so much talaga yung story niyo it's really very inspiring. I feel really so emotional a little bit a while ago while listening to your story. So
we have different stories.
So I can really say that you're both very lucky, both of you, Kuya and Ate, and more years of happy together. Especially you're doing this business together, and it just makes you happier as well, isn't it? So yeah, so doing this together, this business, and yeah, you're doing this digital journey. So it's really so inspiring. So thank you so much yung pag-share nyo, yung story nyo, and thank you yung pag-yes sa aking invitation sa aking live stream. And guys, like what I said a while ago kanina, this is a very special episode, and I hope that you were very inspired with this episode today. So this business is not just making money. It's also to help others be inspired as well. So and it's our digital journey as well in our personal life. So I hope you were if you want to contact us, if you got questions about this business, you are free to send us a direct message or just comment info or anything below on the comment section, and we will be happily answer all your questions, or just direct message us, or just go directly to our websites, which is can you just tell your websites as well, Kuya, Ate?
It's www.medtrimidal, medtrimidal.com, medtrimidal.com.
And also your business page.
It's medtrimidal also.
Just find it, Med Trimidal. That's it.
medtrimidal is the same name sa sa
Yeah.
profile. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so I think that's all for us for today. I don't want to end this conversation. Actually, it's really very inspiring, but I know you're both busy as well. Kahit na
Right.
what's the time na ba dyan po? Yung 10 o'clock?
It's only 10,
16.
16 in the
Ah,
morning. Yeah.
in the morning po. Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's already
Okay,
16.
Yeah, so anything else you want us to say to our audiences, Kuya, Ate, before we will wrap up?
Well, thank you, Liz, no, and to our viewers, thank you very much for watching, and also for those who will be
Support.
watching for the replay and the support, the community. And thank you, Liz. Without this visit, I will not see you.
Yeah.
We will only learn. I only see that we have the intangible benefit also in this business. It's not about money, no.
Yeah.
It's not about that. It's because we learn. We
Meet
we
people.
meet a lot
also.
of people. That's why in this Chula Vista, conference that we have this
We're
week,
so excited.
we're excited to meet our people who are in our group community, that I consider them as an e-friends, because I have not met them. Some of them I have not met them personally, but this time we'll be meeting in person, because we are real people. We are not scammer. We are here. Kita mga mukha namin, napakaganda ni Lisa. So we are here. Yeah, that's why for those who are watching, right now, if you find our episode of Lisa on this State TV program, or share. So I hope you've been inspired. Share it with your friends and your family, and
Salamat
join
po.
us.
Pati sa atin.
Thank you very much. Back to you, Liz.
Freeze, yeah.
Freeze ka. Anyway,
Oh, yeah. Okay na. Okay.
you freeze a little bit, Liz.
Okay na po?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi na parang nag-ano rin ako kanina, nag-freeze.
Oo,
So,
nag-freeze.
See, imagine. Nasa UK
Exactly.
ka. Mainit kasi ngayon.
So that's
Graduate.
what happens, guys, pag live talaga, you don't know kung minsan mga signal namin. So
Yeah.
that's also shows na talagang we are here, real people, real stories, real situations, 'di ba po? So yun yung kagandahan, one of the beauty of our business. Parang nag-enjoy lang kami. O minsan the same thing rin na parang the same thing yung mga ginagawa ng mga iba, 'di ba? Yung mga reels lahat-lahat. Pero we are paid on different income. So
Yes.
it's a better income. So yeah. So yeah, so that's all for us, guys. Thank you so much, Ate, Kuya, and I'll see you again soon. Hopefully,
Yes.
take care always, and regards to your family. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Thank you so much for staying with us, and I hope you were able to you were inspired like me on the story of Ate Beth and Kuya Med. And thanks for tuning in, and until next time. So stay blessed, be grateful, and I'll see you again on our next episode, on my next episode of this live stream, my episode of my why story, and the heart, which is the heart behind our hustle. Thank you very much. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.
Bye. God bless.